Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off mirror mode on Google Meet. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Meet. If you're starting from a search page, simply search for Google Meet and open the official Google Meet website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access the meeting options and settings properly. After you arrive on the Google Meet home screen, look for the New Meeting button. Click it to get started. Google Meet may give you a few options at this point, such as starting an instant meeting or joining in another way. For this process, it doesn't really matter which meeting option you choose, as long as you enter a meeting space where you can preview or use your camera. Once your meeting window is open, leave that tab available and open a new browser tab. In the new tab, search for a mirror mode tool for Google Meet. The goal here is to find the browser extension that controls the mirrored camera view. When you find the correct extension page, open it and click the Add to Chrome button to install it. If your browser asks you to confirm the installation, go ahead and approve it so the extension can be added. After the extension has been installed, return to your Google Meet tab. Now go to the top area of your Chrome browser and look for the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. This is where Chrome stores quick access to installed extensions. Click that icon to view the list of available extensions. From there, find the mirror mode extension you just installed and open it. You should see a setting or toggle related to mirror mode. To turn mirror mode off, uncheck the toggle or disable the option. This will stop your camera preview from appearing mirrored on your side. As a helpful note, mirror mode usually affects how you see yourself during the meeting preview, and changing it can make your image feel more natural if you want text, gestures, or movement to appear in the correct direction. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try clicking back into the meeting window or refreshing the view. And that's it. You've successfully turned off mirror mode on Google Meet using the extension settings in Chrome.